Welcome everyone. Let's take a look at this question. This question wants us to print the difference of the following variables. Let's take a look at method 1. So in method 1, I'll assign new variables. C is equal to A minus B. This will be one answer. The other answer can be B minus A. So if I want to print them, I'll say print C and C. Then I'll print D. So if I run it, here's the answer. This is method 1. Now method 2 involves me to directly print the answers. How? One is I can just say A minus B and then the other being B minus A. So if I run it, here's the answer again. Thank you.